तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 4.3, problem number 3. We get the question. This is a given question. Yeah, this is a given figure. So in the figure, AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD and given angle GED is equals to 126 degrees. Find angle AGE and angle GEF and angle FGE. So we have to find these three angles using this figure. Okay, right. So look at this picture. So given here angle GED 126 degrees. So GED, this is the angle. GED, this is the angle. Given it is 126 degrees. Okay. Suppose if I want this GEF angle, what we need to do? We have to subtract this GED minus this FED, isn't it? Let us write here what is given. So given angle GED is equals to 126 degrees and FED already we have 90 degrees. Okay, this is nothing but 90 degrees. Okay, the symbol indicates 90 degrees angle. Okay, right. Suppose if I want this GEF, so angle GEF is equals, what we need to do? GED minus angle GED minus FED, angle FED. We get the GEF angle here. Okay. So given it is 126 degrees, here we have, and this is nothing but 90 degrees. What we get here? Yeah, nothing but 36 degrees. Okay, right. 36 degrees is the angle GEF. Is it clear? Yeah. So here this angle is now 36 degrees. Okay, right. So next we have to find this AGE and FGE. Okay, this is over. This one is over. Now we have to find FGE. Where is FGE angle? FGE. Okay, right. So if you observe carefully, this FGE is a triangle here, isn't it? FGE is a triangle or GEF is a triangle. Okay, so write down here. In triangle GEF, sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Already we have that statement. In triangle GEF, with the sum of interior angles property, I am writing here angle GEF plus angle FGE plus next angle EFG. Angle EFG is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, this is the statement. So in every triangle, sum of three interior angles is equals to 180 degrees. That is what I am written here. So look at here, GEF is one angle in this triangle, and next FGE FGE, another angle. Next, EFG, one more angle. Okay, right? So already we have GEF. Just now we got here 36 degrees, and we have to find this FGE angle and EFG. What about EFG? Look at here. Already given here. EF is perpendicular to CD. EF, this EF is perpendicular to CD. Okay. So and given AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Means if this EF is perpendicular to CD, this EF is also perpendicular to AB. Look at here. AB is parallel to CD. These two are parallel lines, and EF is perpendicular to CD. So due to the parallelity, so this parallel, it means EF is perpendicular to AB also. Okay, EF is perpendicular to AB also. Okay, that is why we can write this is also 90 degrees. Okay, so what I am going to write here, this is given 36 degrees plus FGE, we have to find that, plus EFG, this is 90 degrees angle. How we got 90 degrees? From this. Okay, is it clear? These two lines are parallel and this line is perpendicular to this CD. Due to the parallelity, this line is also perpendicular to AB. Okay, right. So now we have to simplify. Right. So FGE is equals to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. So transpose this 36 and 90 to RHS side, we get this. So FGE is equals to 180 degrees minus 126 degrees. Isn't it? Is it clear? Right. So what we get? FGE is equals to, and FGE is equals to, we get how much it remains? Think 54 degrees. Okay, FGE we got 54 degrees. This is FGE. This is 54 degrees angle. Okay, right. Now we have to find AGE. What is that? AGE angle we have to find. This is AGE angle. AGE angle. So we have to find that AGE angle we have to find. So look at here. EFG is a triangle. EFG is a triangle. Look at here. I'm writing the figure. The figure will be like this. Okay. This is A, E, F. AG, EF. Okay, this is the angle. So we have to find here. This is consider X, and this is 90 degrees, and this is already we have 36 degrees. Okay. What about this angle? This is an exterior angle. Okay. This is an exterior angle of the GEF triangle. Okay. Is it clear? So what is the angle here? That is nothing but sum of these two angles. We have already one property. Okay. This angle is equal to sum of these two interior angles. Isn't it? Is it clear? Are you clear with this? Yes. So angle AGE is equals to angle GEF plus angle GFE or EFG, whatever we can write, EFG we can write. EFG also you can write. Okay. So AGE is equals to GEF. How much? GEF 36 degrees plus EFG, that is 90 degrees. Okay. So AGE angle 126 degrees. Okay. So now we got, already we have GE 126 degrees. Yeah. So how many angles we have found? 3. That is GEF. Yeah. GEF is 36 degrees. Okay. Next. FGE. FGE is equals to 54 degrees. And finally AGE, that is equals to how much? We got 126 degrees.